So, building this, the Lego Technic Defender. Got myself all the way through to page maybe 200 out of 500, so maybe a good half. In between these two connecting modules, I'd missed a tiny spacer somewhere in here. Should have paid more attention. So gonna crack on with a bit of a time lapse, building the rest of it, I think. So. Seems to be successful so far. So after about 2.5 hours, both the bits back together, steering rack's working, all the drive chains aren't making the nasty noise it was last time, and the gear selector seems to work, so happy days. I think one more little bit to get the seats in around here, and the rear bench seat, which is somewhere around here, and the dashboard, I believe. A couple more bits and I'm back to where I was, so happy days. So it's now 3:45, so nearly another 3-4 hours that was, but we're now back to where we were, so happy days, getting fairly heavy now.